Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about Flexagon defense, which is a new approach to defense which I came up with in 2012 and something I've been developing ever since. Flexagon defense is a hybrid defense. If you plot a spectrum from matchup based one-to-one defense to area based zone defense, then Flexagon defense lies somewhere in the middle. Sometimes it can resemble one-to-one coverage, and other times it can resemble a zone, but it shouldn't be described as being one or the other. All of the concepts on this spectrum of defensive coverage are explained with examples in another video linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. This video focuses solely on Flexagon defense. Defenders in Flex switch marks as early and as often as they can, and they surround clusters of players including stacks. When the offensive players are spread out or isolated, the defenders in Flex mark one-to-one. These coordinated team actions are executed mid-possession, triggered by particular offensive movements, and require strong awareness and communication skills from the flexing defenders. Defenders train to recognize when it's appropriate to switch, to surround, and when it's appropriate to mark one-to-one, and they keep a constant on-field communication channel open so that they can reposition, adjust, and adapt as a team accordingly. The default force in Flex is towards the middle when the disc is near the middle, and towards the sideline when the disc is near the side. This footage is taken from an indoor regional semi-final, although Flex is usually played outdoors. Reading form a tight stack in the centre of the space, and the Sussex defenders surround and pick up players to mark one-to-one as they begin to cut. On the right hand side, Zach picks his moment to switch off his mark and catch the interception. The initial setup ensures little double coverage as the defenders guard the open space. Despite an initial double commit, there is quick communication and readjustment made before the offense are able to capitalise. Once all the offensive players are cutting, the defenders are marking one-to-one whilst looking to help each other. If the offense were to cluster together again, the defenders would return to surrounding them. More from this series is coming soon. Make sure you check out the Spectrum of Defensive Coverage video linked in the description below. If you want a classroom breakdown session on Flexagon defense, then that's available on the Felix Ultimate Patreon. Other than that, I'll see you again soon.